YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good now. Like the latest lucky birthdays like the game available now, and I will be helping to you completely how to be complete with this game. This is the game more easily now. Just I will be explain you something about this game, and I give you advice strategy how to complete with these levels. I will be show you. So guys, how to complete with this game levels. So I will be completely telling to you how to complete with this levels, guys. Everything more easily now. Sometimes people not to be understand, but I will be explain you how to complete with this game levels. Just I tell you something, and please I request you be end of watching this video, then you will be understand now what I am asking to you about this game. And I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm more helping to you. And let's start this video. So guys, I'm be downloading this game, and I will be explain you all about this game and what you will do. You will be easily completed to be this task. So guys, this is the everything more easily now. Just I will be explain you all about this game. Okay, starting now, and to be just I will be skipping this video and because then I will be starting now, and I will be helping to you how to complete to be this game. Okay guys, this game so more interesting and like good game, and sometimes bad, but I also think this is bad and good game. Okay, now starting now. Oh my god. Let's go. Later I playing this game, and I will show you something about this game, because this game like depend on your this all of persons. Snag. This may like me. I will be earn coins. Okay guys, and I will be explain you something about this more game, because some people not be understand now. Click on these options, click on this option. So I will be clicking on this option, because if you like be your heroes upgrading now, so then they more powerful and they easily to collect now. reading now. They needed to be more, and I will be go more back. Oh my god, thank you so much. Needed to be next levels. Okay, let's go. Tap to continue. Okay. task. I hope you will be understand how to complete this task